I knew it.
They wanted too much for the power.
I knew it. I knew it was gonna be a damn Cummins. I swear, right when you guys come, I said, "Watch it be a Cummins." I was like, God damn.
Stop, but I was like, that shit gonna be too obvious on this.
I was like, damn.
I almost got a platinum, but they ain't.
I knew. I was like, he probably got a Cummins. I started thinking about it.
They had two platinums out there. They were 17s though. They had two of them out there. They had a bunch of gas trucks. And I was like, man, I say, and I started looking. They had the high country was right up the street. They wanted 77 for it.
God damn. Bro, you be barking for no reason. Good gracious. Power so look at the interior. That big boy Laramie screen. Yeah. So I actually forgot to record this part, the intro. So you see the beginning of the video, that's my cousin. So he just sold his C7 Corvette. That was his dream car. So he traded his dream car for his dream truck. It's between a Cummins and a Duramax. He always wanted either a Chevy 2500 High Country or a Ram 2500. So you see he pulled up on me, surprised me with what he got. He didn't want to tell me what it was, but he just pulled up on me and boom, showed up with the Cummins. So now in the next part of the video, what you're gonna see is the new setup he put on the truck. So he put on some new and bigger wheels. You'll see it once he pull up. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video. Boy, it is hot as hell out here today. Got the Ram 2500 Cummins. This mug hard, boy. And it's on the level 24x14s TIS wheels 557P. It's the same wheels that I got. And damn, boy, these polished, that's look good. Got the spike lug nuts. Sitting on the 2.5. It's 2.5 inch level, ain't it? Sitting on the 2.5 inch level. It's the Ram Laramie Longhorn edition too. Got the power steps on it already. The interior is so crazy. Sheesh. That brown so hard. What is it? 33 1350, ain't it? Yep, 33 1350. Amp mud tires. The Terrain Attack to be exact. This thing is beautiful. Look at that. Sheesh. I ain't gonna lie, I really wasn't a fan of Cummins until when he was telling me that he was gonna get a Cummins. Well, he didn't tell me. He's like, you gonna see what it is. At first it was debate like whether it's gonna be a High Country. At one point he was looking at a Ford, man. I don't know why he didn't get the Ford. Pretty much everything stocked except for the wheels and tires, and the level came on when he purchased the truck. But everything else is pretty much stock. We weren't sure if it was gonna fit the 24x14s. But look how big the wheel well is, man. I was like, ain't no way. You should have more than enough space with this big ass wheel well to fit 24x14s in a set of 33s on 11 kit. Like, This junk is crazy. Got my truck pulled up beside it. You see, I'm on an 8-inch lift kit. He on an 11 kit, and mine barely just sit over his truck. Like, it's crazy. Like, barely. If it even sit over it. I don't know. You can't really tell, to be honest. I guess because I'm kind of far away. I think it sit just damn near level. That's crazy. As you can see, same wheel, TIS 557P. I got the TIS 557B. Mine's just dirty as hell. Sheesh. Ford gang, baby. About to get some other pictures of the truck. Y'all finally get to see me in my element, man. Taking pictures, that's what I do. You happy with how the truck came out?
Yeah.
That more hard though, for real. God damn. But yeah, y'all finally get to see me in my element, see what I actually be doing. Taking pictures and shit, man. It's so hot out here. That more sound good too. And it ain't even deleted. If it was deleted, I'm gonna be burned. And he don't rub. He barely rub. Just so they see he able to get full lock. Yeah, you see he able to get full lock on the turn. Go this way, yeah. There we go. Yep. Yep. You good? Yeah, this is.
It do.
Do it rub. You say it rub at full lock?
Yeah, at the back.
It rub at full lock at the back. And what you had to do to it again?
Put a 1/2-inch bumper spacer.
So he had to get the 1/2-inch bumper spacer. How bad it rubbed before then? It wasn't that bad? So right now he rub at full lock. Just a little bit like going uphill on the back side, back here. You say back here, right? Yeah, back here. Other than that, he don't rub. I don't think he did. Got a 1/2-inch bumper spacer, put it up here. Basically, it puts the bumper up too, right? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, push it forward. Yeah, so what it do, it push the bumper forward, basically. Now he got a little bit of extra room for clearance. Shit, I might need to do that, I might need to do that for real, huh? Yeah, I think if I was to do that though, this one dude said he did do that to his. Yeah. So it wasn't too bad installing stuff and being heavy.
Yeah, that's it. See, I ain't butting the motherfucker back in there.
You should have made a video.
I was trying to rush. Had to go to the top of school after that shit.
Told you need your own shop.
That's my YouTube video.
Char Garage.
About running out of shit to do though.
Talking about this?
No, to anything.
Shit, I'm pretty sure you'll think of something. I think I'm gonna just get that what's it called bumper. I seen it was like $800.
Yeah, you get that shit and you can make a video putting that on.
Yeah.
That won't be that bad, but I guarantee that shit will be heavier than that bumper.
I bet. That bumper look heavy.
15 pounds heavier.
That bumper look heavy. I'll probably really have to cut them crash bars. Yeah, I really have to cut the crash bars in.
I don't know. That probably I'm sure they make something that will sit on top of it. 90% of the time when you order stuff like that, it be already modified to where the boat put it on.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to.
But you even had to crush. You see, this here probably take this off. This bolt right here. See that bolt?
Yeah.
They probably take that off.
No, it don't.
It don't?
I thought the same thing.
Shit, what else holding that motherfucker?
I don't know, but they don't take it off. I can tell you that much. Talking about that. Damn. Let's see. Goddamn. Saw that bitch off. Yeah. Cause I seen some dude talking about. Somebody said they was able to unbolt theirs, but I seen somebody too say they had to saw it off. I don't know. I was like, I don't know.
That shit gotta be bolted somehow. See, even these, like, what else holding this on for minus these two bolts? Just this piece. I'm sure you gotta cut it right here because it's welded, but this right here, that shit bolted in there.
Yeah. That might have been what they was talking about then.
Yeah, that's the only thing that's all. You cutting the whole thing.
Yeah. Boy, damn, so need to paint up on here. I don't either. Is Ford the only ones that got them? They the only one got them. Supposed to be like to protect you whenever, like, I guess like a head-on collision or something. I don't know.
That little shit, break that little sorry ass tack wheel they got on here. This shit ain't nothing. I could have did this.
Yeah. Man, I don't know. But most people, that's what they cut though. That's where they cut it. Cause they be hitting. I guess they be hitting right there. I ain't.
Well, yeah, cause if you get anything bigger than this and you turn, you'll still hit it.
Yeah.
So I guess that's why they saw it off here.
Yeah, so man, we ain't gonna hold it too long. You wanna follow his build, go to C7 Char. I'll put it down in the description and in this video below as well. But anyway, man, guys, if you like this build, let me know. Put it down in the comments. Tell me what you think about it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Man, we're gonna keep growing and everything, man. So on that note, I'll catch y'all on the next video.